Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications. I am here to teach you maths, and that is chapter 2, Roman numerals. Children, you all know that we use the digits 0 to 9 to form the numbers in Indian system, and they are also known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. 0 to 9 are also known as Hindu-Arabic numerals because they were developed by ancient Indians, and Arabs spread these digits to the other countries. That's why these numbers are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. And Romans used the letters of the English alphabet, that is 7 letters of the English alphabet, to represent numbers. They have given some values to these letters of the English alphabet. I is 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and 1000. Using these 7 letters, we can form Roman numerals. We can form any number by using these 7 letters of the English alphabet. And if there is a bar on the Roman numeral, it is 1000 times the given number. That is 5, it is multiplied by 1000. 5 into 1000 is 5000, that is V bar. X bar is 10 into 1000, 10,000. And there are some rules to form other Roman numerals using these letters. When a Roman numeral is repeated, it means addition. When a Roman numeral is written 2 times, it shows that we have to add those 2 Roman numerals. I, that equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. is, the value of I is 2. X, that is 10 plus 10, 20. And I and X can be repeated 3 times only. We cannot repeat this I and X more than 3 times. Up to 3 times we can repeat those. I and X can be repeated up to only 3 times. So I, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. X, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. We can't repeat these 2 more than 3 times. The third rule, when a smaller Roman numeral is written to the right side of the greater Roman numeral, it means addition. Example, V and I. I is written to the right side of the greater Roman numeral V, so it is addition. Both should be added. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. XI. X is 10 and these 2 are written to the right side of the greater Roman numeral 10. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. XV. 10 is greater and V is smaller. It is written to the right side of the greater Roman numeral. 10 plus 5, that is 15. And rule 4. When a smaller Roman numeral is written to the left of the greater Roman numeral, it means subtraction. IV. V is greater, that is 5, and 1 is written to the left of this Roman numeral V, so it should be subtracted. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX. Y is written to the left of the greater Roman numeral 10, so 1 should be subtracted from this. 10 minus 1 equals 9. XL. X is 10, L is 50. X is to the left of the greater Roman numeral 50, so 50 minus 10 equals 40. And VLD are never repeated. Only I and X should be repeated up to 3 times, and VLD should never be repeated. And V is never written to the left of X. So we should not write V to the left of X. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 is wrong. And V can be written to the right side of X, XV, that is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. These are the rules. Using these rules, we can write any Roman numeral. We can change Hindu-Arabic numeral to Roman numeral. Let us do some problems now. First, let us write from 1 to 10 Roman numerals I, 1, I, 2, I, 3, IV, that is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. V is 5. VI, 5 plus 1, 6. VII, 5 plus 2, 7. VII, 8. Roman numerals cannot be repeated not more than 3 times. So, we should not write 9 like this. This is wrong. It should be written as I and X. 10 minus 1 is 9 and this is 10. So 1 to 10 numerals can be written like this. Using these we can write 20 to 30. You can practice like this. Using these 10 Roman numerals you can write 20 to 30. Write Roman numerals for $19. That is 10 plus 9. 10 is X, 9 is IX. 10 minus 1, that is 19. 25. 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is XXV. 36. 30 plus 6 or 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6, that is XXX. 6 is 5 plus 1, we should write right side 1 to V. 36. 49. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. 4 tens are 40 plus 9. XXXX. No, sorry. This should be written as 40 plus 9, and 40 can be written as 50 minus 10 plus 9. We should know that X should not be repeated more than 3 times. So we have to write it as 50 minus 10. So 50 minus 10 plus 9. So 50 is L. As 10 is subtracted from 50, we should write to its left. If it is subtraction, to its left. If it is addition, to its right. So 9 is 10 minus 1. 10 is X, and I should be written to the left of 10. This is 49. Next, 64. 60 plus 4. 60 can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 4. 50 plus 1. 50 plus 10. 50 is L. 10 is X. As it is addition, we should write to the right side, that is LX is 60. 4. 5 minus 1. V, and 1 should be written to the left of 5. LXIV is 64. 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. 100 is C, as 10 is X. We should, as it is subtraction, we should write to the left of 100. XC is 90. 113. 100 plus 10 plus 3. 100 is C, 10 is X. As it is addition, we have to write to the right side. And 3 is I plus I plus I. Kartik? CXII. CXII is 130. In this way, you can convert any Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals using the rules. Now, we shall change Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. Numerals for రెండు మోడల్స్ అవుతాయి. ఆయన చూడు ఎంత అయింది. XIV, X is 10 and this I and V is 5 minus 1. As 1 is to the left of V, this is considered as it should not, you should not consider it as 10 plus 1. I is to the left of V, so we should subtract 1 from this 5. 10 plus 4 equals 14. XIV is 14. This is XXII. 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. 20 plus 2, that is 22. XXII. LVI. L is 50 and this V is 5. V is 5 and 1 is to the right side of V, so we have to add 1. 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. CD. D is 500. D is 500 and C is written to the left. Smaller is written to the left, so we consider it as subtraction. 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. CM. M is 1000 we know and C is to the left of 1000, so we have to subtract it. It becomes 900. 1000 minus 100. XXXV. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 35. 3 tens are 30 plus 5, 35. XL. L is 50 and X is to the left of X. X is to the left of L, so it is subtraction. And 5 plus 1 plus 1. The ones are, I's are towards the right side of 5, so we have to add. 50 minus 10, 40 plus 7, 47. D is 500 and C is to the right side of this, so plus 100 plus V plus 1, 5 plus 1, 600 plus 6, 600 plus 6, 606 is the answer. So, in this way, you can convert Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numerals. Now fill in the boxes with less than, greater than, or equals to. X11 is 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12, and this is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. 12 greater than 8. LX 50 plus 10 is 60, XL is 40. So LX greater than XL. L is 50, C is 100. 100 plus 100 is 200, L less than CC. CIX, CX. IX is 9, C is 100. 109, CX is 110. So this is less than this. MD, DM is 1000, D is 500, 1500. DM. D is also, DM is 1000 minus 500, 500. So this is greater than this. XX, XX, 20, 20 equal to. So if you convert the Roman numeral into the Hindu Arabic numeral, you can easily put the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. Add the Roman numerals and write the sum in Hindu Arabic. Numerals. XX 20, 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 27. XL plus IX. XL is 40. 50 minus 10. X is to the left of L. 40. XL 50 minus 10, 40 plus 9. that is 49. XC plus CD. XC is 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90, and CD 500 minus 100, 400. So 400 plus 90 is 490. L plus C. L is 50, C is 100, 150. So just if you identify the Roman numerals according to the rules, if you change the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic, you can easily add the numbers and write the sum in Hindu Arabic numerals. The next model is put right for correct one and wrong for wrong one. Hey, Karthik. According to the rules, put the right for the correct one and wrong for the wrong one. V and V. We know that V should not be repeated. So this is wrong. X, I, X. X is 10, I, X is 9, 19. So it is right. I. So I should not be repeated more than 3 times. So it is wrong. And L, L, D. V and L also cannot be repeated. So it is wrong. X, L. Right. Right. Vx. V cannot be subtracted from X, so it is wrong. Put 1090 into Roman numerals. 1090 equals to 1000 plus 90. 1000 is M. 90 can be written as 100 minus 10. 1000 is M. C is 100. As 10 is subtracted, it should be written to the left of 100, that is C. MDXX equals M is 1000, D is 500, 10 plus 10 is 20. So 1000 1520. MDXX equals M is 1000, D is 500, X is 10 plus 10. So 1000 plus 500 plus 20, that is 1520. If you are unable to do directly, add like this according to the places. 2004 Roman numeral. 2000 plus 4, 1000 plus 1000 plus 5 minus 1. So 1000 is M, 5 minus 1 V, and 1 should be to the left of V as it is subtraction. MMIV. So if you follow the rules and if you know the values of the 7 letters of the English alphabet, you can convert any Hindu Arabic numeral into Roman numerals. And exercises are given in page number 31, 32, 33, and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.